as I wanted to jump on the other side, because on the other side the eternity signal is stronger for you who are watching this at home, so you could be infused by the energy. I saw this matrix beacon staring at me. It's not a can, it's not a can, no, it's an implant that was materialized here in order to distract me when I film. But I thought I could do it anyway, and I went for the jump and fall. I fall down, doesn't matter. As soon as my leg starts to stream, it gave me enough energy influence to combat the matrix beacon over there. But this is some damaged equipment. The audio recorder, since now it is raining, I cannot take pictures of it, but it does not look good. It started to rain, and I do not want to destroy it totally with the rain, because it's not waterproof, of course. But that's how it is, you know. That's how it is. That is why we warriors and sorcerers, we need to stick together, and together we will destroy this negative matrix reality. Let me now do something. Let me find a big rock. Let's see what happens now. Missed it. I missed it. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Let's see, can I aim good now? Missed it again. There must be some cloaking effect when I'm missing so much. This will do. This will do. Now the beacon is neutralized, and you may even feel it at home watching. The energy will be even better now. But that's how it is. That's how it is in the life of the warrior.